everyone and welcome back. Welcome to another crafty decor adventure. Olivia or Olivia's Romantic Home. And in today's video, I am so excited to share with you guys some DIY Dollar Tree decor crafts. So I love to share with y'all how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Hey, listen, I would love to invite you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you punch the bell and click all, it will update you every single time I post a new video. I also would love to invite you over to my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I share DIY videos over there, as well as a free little group page for you all to post photos of your home decor and DIY creations over there. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you how you can make a super adorable kind of three-tiered garden planter using items from the Dollar Tree. So grab two of their garden trellises and you're going to flip one upside down, kind of nestle them up against each other to where you have two columns. And then you can take zip ties and you want to stabilize them right here in the center part of your little garden trellises. And then you want to stabilize either side or at least the top piece. So I did all three rows here on mine, and then you can also take that little extra prong at the top, just bend it backward and then back again, as you guys can see how I'm doing that right here, and then you can trim those off. The next thing I'm doing is taking some of these little Dollar Tree, just little galvanized buckets, and I used my Cricut tool to get the tags off the bottom because we don't want to see the bottoms of the tags. I know I've had people complain about me leaving tags on, so I got them off for you guys. And then I took a little box cutter and poked holes in the back, and then I'm going to zip tie them to the little garden trellis. Now, this is such a fun idea, you guys. If you need more wall space or more floor space and you want to put stuff on your wall. So this would be fun, you know, to do little garden ideas, or you can keep kids' crayons and craft supplies in this. Really, the sky is the limit. So I really wanted this idea to be very versatile for you all. But again, I'm just taking some zip ties and I'm zip tying them to the garden trellis. And to give that little hole punch there, I just used a box cutter. That box cutter cuts into it pretty good. And so here's how it turned out so far. Now I'm going to take these florals that I found off of Amazon and I'm just going to pop them into my buckets. Now I actually have a ton of these florals on hand because I'm getting ready to decorate for a friend of mine's wedding. And so that's super exciting. So you guys are going to see some bridal florals popped into some of my creations in the next month or so. And here's how it turned out, you guys. How super adorable is this? I honestly feel like this looks really high end. I mean, I think the florals helps, but Dollar Tree carries pretty florals as well. And I think part of the key to doing something like this is to use all of the same color of flower. That kind of makes things look a little bit more high-end when you do it like that. But also think about this. You guys could use this so easily for ribbon, for scissors, for markers. I mean, you could make this into like a kitchen utensil, whatever you need to hang. Now, I will tell you, you probably can't put a ton of weight into the buckets to where, I mean, because these little trellises they're not super sturdy, but they're fine to use in this manner, in my opinion. The florals are pretty lightweight, so I haven't tried it with a heavier item, but if you guys try this, let me know. Fun and fabulous on a budget. Next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to make a super adorable summer garden centerpiece. So I grabbed this super cute little charger from Dollar Tree and I hot glued some styrofoam to the center of it. And then I'm taking these florals that I found off of Amazon. And again, you guys are going to see me use a bunch of these florals because I'm decorating for a friend of mine's wedding. So I'll use them in some of my DIYs that I share with you guys and then repurpose them into the wedding. But I'm leaving them all kind of bundled together, and then I'm just going to poke them into a little styrofoam. And this is going to make just kind of a pretty garden florally idea. And then I'm going to add some greenery to fill it in as well. next thing I started to add into my little arrangement were some of these summer yellow flowers. These even will take you into fall. I think these were from some of my fall tote, but I just thought that the lemon or the yellow would be cute with the lemon. So I'm using this little Dollar Tree lemon sign. I love this sign, you guys. It says, "When life gives you lemons, make something sweet." And I'm hot gluing that and popping it into the centerpiece here. And then I'm going to add in some more florals. And I really wanted this to just feel kind of wild and gardeny. So I kind of like fun little arrangements like that. But you guys really just pick any little fun Dollar Tree sign that you love. You could make this patriotic by just changing out some of the florals, some of the accent florals. And then I did end up adding some kind of like lemons and limes, and I just thought it looked really, really cute. Now the sign got kind of buried deep in my wild floral, but again, I think it looks really cute and fun. And I did get the Bless This Kitchen sign from Hobby Lobby, if you guys are wondering about that, as well as a super adorable little table. Again, fun, fabulous summer ideas on a budget. For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with y'all how you can make a super adorable little hanging garden planter. This is going to be a summer garden planter. So you're going to take 2 of the Dollar Tree trellises and you're going to flip one upside down, nestle them up against each other to where you have these 2 columns. And then in the center point of the columns, take your little zip ties and zip tie them together to where it is nice and sturdy. What we want to do is add some cute little garden planters here. Now, I want to share with you guys a super great little tool. Grab one of those Cricut scrapers if you have one on hand and use that to scrape off those pesky Dollar Tree stickers. You guys know what I'm talking about. And then I just use a box cutter to cut little holes in the back, and then I'm taking zip ties to zip tie them on to my little garden planter trellis. I love making these garden planters. I think they're so super fun, and you can put real or fake flowers. Now the trellises aren't as sturdy as the plastic garden gates that I've used on other ones, so be careful how much weight you put in it. This works fine, but I'm just saying if you guys get really crazy and start loading them down, you just might want to be careful. There may be a weight limit. Now I'm taking some of these little Dollar Tree ferns, and I do have styrofoam hot glued to the base of the little galvanized garden tins, and I'm just popping that in. So adding a nice little layer of greenery is going to make it feel summery and blooming. I'm telling you guys right now that it is so beautiful right now where I live. Everything is greening up, and we have like little rolling hills. They call them mountains, but I don't really feel like they're technically mountains, but they're beautiful once all the greenery comes in, lush with trees, and we have lakes where I'm from. And so drop a comment down below and let me know where you guys are from. Are you seeing a lot of green grass and trees and beautiful flowers starting to pop out wherever you're at? We're getting some really nice weather. It's in the 90s now. So that's been really, really nice, and a big change of pace. So, you know, we go from pretty chilly to just boom summer. And so I have to constantly be adjusting what I'm wearing so it's not too hot, but then I have to bring like a little jacket for the evening. Anyway, I'm also popping in some of these little cute Dollar Tree lemons and a little bit more greenery. I want this to feel kind of like just a fun kind of lemon flavorful kind of kitchen floral. I think greenery during the summer is so fun, and adding in some little lemons gives your greenery that pop of color. Now look how super adorable this turned out. I think it looks absolutely amazing, totally fun and fabulous on a total budget. this next Dollar Tree DIY is just going to be so fun and easy, and I'm going to take some of the little Dollar Tree wooden magnets, hot glue them to some of these fun little citrus pieces. I did get the citrus pieces off of Amazon, but I want to share with you guys different ideas you can do. You can use like a little flower. You can use some of the Totally Dazzled jewels. So here's a little flower that I used, and this goes along with some of the decor that I just recently created for this video. Check out how adorable this is. Now I will tell you that the little slices of lemons and limes and stuff, they were a little bit heavy for the magnet. I will tell you that. The magnet stayed up, but I wouldn't say it was the most sturdy. And then the jewel did fine, but again, it could be a little bit more of a sturdy magnet. So just a little FYI on that one. The flower seemed to be the best. They'll stay on the fridge. I just, I wouldn't, I had to use 2 of the magnets to hold up a picture. So that's kind of a pet peeve of mine when magnets don't like to stay up. But I think this is still a fun idea. And you guys could even just cover them maybe with a little bit of sticker or whatnot. But you get 6 to a pack. And this would be a fun little idea to personalize and maybe do with your grandkids or kiddos. The Lord has done great things for us, and we are filled with joy. That's from Psalm 126:3. And that is a sweet little prayer card. And again, so I have 2 magnets on here, and then I'm just adding this little third one just so it stabilizes and all of that kind of fun stuff. So there you guys have that. So as always, I ask that you guys comment down below and let me know what was your favorite DIY in this video and which one will you be recreating. Those are my kiddos. They are my love, my heart, and my joy. And I love them so, so much. I'm so blessed to be a mama. I'm telling you, I had the best Mother's Day ever. The best part about when your kids get older is that you can actually have a lot of fun with them. So here's my puppy dog, Benji Bear. I told you guys it's been in the 90s here, so it's gotten really hot. And so I started taking him on our normal walk, and he just fluffed out. I mean, he did not want to walk. He just wanted to be in that cool grass. So here he is after the walk, and he was so tuckered out. He just laid on the floor and he flopped around, and he was just done. He did not. So I know now I have a grooming appointment for him he has to get his hair trimmed back really far in the summer because he just gets so hot. It's like having a winter coat on. So he'll get his summer haircut, and he's going to look so much littler. He looks literally like a different dog during the summertime. So say hi to Benji Bear, and we love you guys. And as always, we're so, so, so thankful to have you here. Big hugs and kisses and love. Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It is a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with y'all how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. And for everybody that comes back here and just hangs out with me, crafting, decorating, just watching my videos, thank you all so, so much. It is a true blessing and honor to have each and every one of you all here. My purpose has always been to just share the joy of home decor, homemaking, crafting, and tidying things up on a budget. So I hope you all can watch some more of my videos and get some inspiration for doing that. I do a lot of seasonal decor. I feel like it's always just something fun to look forward to every season. Our next season currently that we're going to have going on is summer and 4th of July. So I'm excited to share some DIY goodies on that, maybe some little beach fun things, and then even looking forward into the future for fall and Christmas eventually once the summer draws to a close. So I hope you all are getting excited about this summer. I have my niece's graduation is going to be Friday. I'm excited for that. And then we're just going to be enjoying summer. I know this week where I'm at, it's going to be in the 90s. So you guys drop a comment down below. Let me know how your weather is going. If you guys go from a lot of rain and, kind of cool temperatures to boom, straight on summer. That's how it is here for me. So anyway, I love y'all. I can't wait for our next video. And until then, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. I've come out here to say